Kinong hikai school hapo ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM ki berdawa ban penrung deficit system ya barok ki school ad hoc kila penpau ka jingbam ngohon ya ka Jubab nau ba lakmen remboi Myntri ubri kmi ya katanat puli puthi ha ka no phais ngi jong ka ar pulai tarik unai lur araja arpusan. Kumta hadian ke jingpen ngau na kinoi alam ka Federation halor ki jingmi na ki jing ekran bat Myntri kinoi hikai kila penpau ban Bteng ya ka jing Ïakhih ka ba Khlem por ka jongki ka balas dang na do ka arpu ar tarik unai lur araja arpusan. Kani ka jing Ïakhih kinoi hikai ha ka sngi ka baladap kalas dang da ka jing ya bat ba bot da ka jing Ïakhih syong kalan mengor Madan Malki. Ka Federation ka ong babun kinoi hikai ki degi bahikai hagi skol ki bapanyat da ki missionary ki dor barsnong da ki riushimet bar hagi jaka nong kendong kim shim by school bon na kini ki skol ki degi basuyo jingerap na ka sarkar bat kumta ban pen urlong yakimat dawa don kam ka mon sanhima ka baklan. Ka Federation ka dawa ka jingsiu ka bakhambyang ya kinoi hikai ad hoc ka jing penrong ha ka deficit system ka jing pen kiu tulap ka basan persen man lausnam bat penjalan rata syong thaj na ka hendro posnam sya ka hendro pusan snam.
At present he told us that he cannot give any assurance. The department, they will study, they will review the suggestion, the views given by the different association and the stakeholders in related to the MEG. Until and unless they study and reviews those suggestions, he said, at present, I cannot give you any assurance what shall we do with the demand of the Federation. So here, we stand as the frontline leaders to put it in you, the teachers, the decision. What shall we do? Whether we will continue with the agitation or we will stop our agitation. You want to continue? Let us raise our hands.
Continue.
So, okay then, we will stick to the decision taken by the majority. We had told the Education Concern Minister that we are just the frontline leaders. We have got many leaders who are in Malki playground and even in Tura who will take the final decision. So your decision is that we will continue, so we will go ahead with our agitation program. Okay, thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.